Hi, my name is Jeremy Kwaterski. Some of us consider me to be the founder of the industry, even the godfather. I've been in this business for over 30 years and started as the founder of CPR Cell Phone Repair. I'm currently the executive director of Repairs First. We're establishing a GoFundMe page for some of these repair shops that are out there that have been affected by Helen. And now we look like they're certainly going to be affected by Milton. We want you to know that the RFA has your back. We personally have been there before. I've lived in Florida for decades. I understand, where folks are coming from. So we want to do what we can to help. Please reach out to us. If you can donate, if you can't donate physical money, maybe you can do some time to roll up your sleeves. Maybe you can help in some other way. Do some construction, drywall, painting, who knows? Some of these folks are really going to need your help. And please, we implore you, if you can do that, please let us know, and we're glad to coordinate that. Thank you.
There's repair shop owners out there that have spent many, many years to try to get where they're at. And you know, one storm just wipes it all away, and there's no flood insurance. So please help out help out your fellow repair shop owners out there. Let's get the money to them to help them rebuild. And thank you again for any kind of support you're able to help out with the industry with.
Yeah, and I just want to add in here, anywhere on this GoFundMe page, you're going to see where people are donating. RFA is actually going to donate $1,000 to start the fund. If you want to reach out because you can't donate money, but you want to find out if there's a shop in your area or a little ways away from you where you can drive and just help them, just email info@repairsfirst.org. If you are a shop in need and you don't know what to do to be able to get some of this money that's being donated into the GoFundMe, somewhere around this video or where this is posted is going to be, we're going to have just a very small application process. We want to make sure that at least, that this money goes to people that really need it. And we'll just need some information from you. Or if you can't find it, just email info@repairsfirst.org and we'll go ahead and talk to you and find out what your situation is and go ahead and get you some of the funding that has come into the GoFundMe. But yeah, thank you for anything that you can do. If you can't donate money and you can't donate time, at least you can share. So if you could share this, that would be great for us.
Thank you, and God bless us all.